How many bags are you checking? How many bags are you checking? Just this one. Just this one. Put it on the scales, please. Put it on the scales, please. Your suitcase is overweight. Your suitcase is overweight. It's 1 kilogram over. It's 1 kilogram over. Please take some stuff out and put it in your carry-on bag. Please take some stuff out and put it in your carry-on bag. Did you pack this suitcase yourself? Did you pack this suitcase yourself? Have you left your luggage unattended at any time? Have you left your luggage unattended at any time? Are you carrying anything for someone else? Are you carrying anything for someone else? Here's your luggage claim tag. Here's your luggage claim tag. Good job! Please take a look down below for all 10 phrases. If you are on your phone, please click the title of the video to open up the description box. Thank you so much for watching. To listen to the recordings again, click the I on top. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Listening to the sentences repeatedly is a very effective learning strategy, and you'll find yourself really improving. Thank you again, and please be sure to subscribe to this channel.